Oh, let's review that.
A balancing act.
Yeah, that was good. Let's see that one more time. Oh, man, that's close. Wow. Oh, yeah. Nice spin.
Why are you
You're fine.
I have no idea.
Really?
I'm just a welcome mat for everybody, I guess.
You're like, come on, get it.
Dog boxing.
After the fumble by Twitch, 8 plays, 61 yards.
Need to get Lady over here.
The 1-yard touchdown reception.
Dale's gonna just save her energy. I'll just wait for you to come to me.
That's what Jackie was saying earlier. It's like, oh!
Now she's like, now I want to run.
Watch this trick. They're watching me. I got a new trick.
There we go. Get your voice going.
Oh, nice.
Now we feel comfortable to talk.
If you have a container, and I usually just keep like a refrigerator.
Because I always have to make cookies on.
Real, you're puffing and panting. See, you need to get on the exercise routine.
Okay, awesome.
What we should do is dress them up in boxing outfits, you know, like boxing shorts. Yeah, put little pads on them. That'd be hilarious. Cameron, we gotta do that.
I know.
Rampage Jackson returns to take on Glover to share. This is not a pay-per-view event. It's live. It's free. It's online. January 27th, 26th. 8 p.m. Eastern. Fox UFC Saturday.
Come on, Real. Fight back. Get in there. Use some of that weight. Come on.
We need a Howard Cosell.
There we go. Wide open. Oh, nice catch.
Get him, Rio.
Do they call it?
Rio. Get him.
On the left side. On we have Rio.
In a position.
Get him, Ellie.
Well, you know, that's like a couple of years ago when they played the Steelers in the Super Bowl, man. That game was rigged. Oh, I don't care what anybody said. It was so rigged. Those refs were so paid off and instructed to make sure that the Steelers won. They took 3 touchdowns off for Seattle and gave Pittsburgh 1. And that was ugly, man. So if they go again, they're going to play against the 49ers. Well, yeah, the Atlanta 49ers would make the league a lot more money than Seattle.
So I would cut them all.
Yeah.
That's the flight attendant.
Flight attendant. You're the pilot.
You can push it down.
So far, they haven't really bugged me. If they were any bigger, it might be a problem. But
It was your dog.
funny.
Steve's like, oh, dance a little more on my wiener.